and solutions to customers. Our profitability metrics have improved over the past years and balance sheet has become healthier. Blue Star at 75 is a key milestone which we are looking forward to. We plan to grow, billing 2 times and profit 4 times in next 3 years, with a target of 1 billion mark in sales. Target of PBT to revenue ratio of 10%. Aim for a market capitalization of rupees 10,000 crore. Deliver world-class products and services. Focus aggressively on international markets. Attract and retain best-in-class talent. To support the growth plans, we are united by strong culture, which is Blue Star Way, which is guiding values and beliefs, open and friendly, facilitates learning, empowered employees, freedom to experiment, diverse exposure. Let's look at our strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Our strengths are strong brand loyalty, strong distribution network, extensive R&D focus, high quality and wide range of products. Our weaknesses are underutilized brand, dependent on imports, cyclic cooling product business, dependent on domestic investment and consumer spending. Our opportunities are growing middle class and private spending, cash proceeds from BSIL merger to fund organic growth, international markets, low penetration in tier 3, 4 and 5 cities. Our threats are hyper-competitive market, slowdown in private investment cycle, sluggish economy and exchange rate fluctuations. Our strategic direction are retain our leadership in core domestic businesses, HVAC and R products, NAP projects and AC&R services. De-risk our overall dependence on the domestic commercial construction cycle by investing in the international business and pursuing opportunities in product adjacencies. Leverage the Blue Star brand to its full potential by actively pursuing related diversification beyond AC&R in all our businesses. Align the organization to a new shared vision, credo and the core values and beliefs. Enhance employee engagement and energize the teams for higher levels of performance. Focus on leadership development and succession planning through structured interventions. Encourage a culture of entrepreneurship and innovation. A robust and well-drawn plan in place to achieve our objectives. We are backed up by strong values and beliefs which are: be a company that is a pleasure to do business with, continuously improve shareholder value, win our people's heart and minds, encourage learning, experimentation and innovation in what we do, place the company's interest above one's own, conduct business with personal integrity and ethics, work in a boundaryless manner between various functions to provide the best solutions to customers, treat business partners as respected members of our own organization, ensure high standards of corporate governance, be a good corporate citizen. HR and CFS are the key functions to support growth and ensure compliance. The vision of HR is to make Blue Star the employer of choice in the business segments that we operate in by having relevant, forward-looking people, systems and processes that attracts, develops and retain our most valuable resources, our people. The strategic priorities of HR are strengthening HR practices with the aim of taking the company into the league of top 10 best employers in the country. Launch an employee engagement improvement program. Structured leadership development and succession planning through development centers. Gen Y program to accelerate career growth for young managers. Relook at span of control. New variable pay scheme to drive thrust on strategic plan implementation and financial performance. Gender as well as ethnic diversity. Target to reach 60th percentile level in compensation with the new performance linked to variable pay. Intense focus on capability building. The vision of CFS is to be an enabler of profitable business growth. The key focus areas are talent development, productivity and efficiency improvement, and customer satisfaction. The strategic priorities of CFS are: strengthen CFS organization through skill and competency enhancement for identified talent pool. Design a new MIS system that supports a longer-term view of the businesses. Implement Ind AS. Switch over to quarterly consolidation results. Strengthen ISC framework and align the organization to these changes. Continue the tight control over forex risk management. Reduce indirect tax exposure, disputes to a level not exceeding 25% of net worth. Realize direct tax refunds that are in the pipeline. Implement the risk management framework in a manner that enables risk evaluation based faster decision making and de-risked growth. Establish a proactive legal support system to serve all businesses. Blue Star forays into aggressive growth plans, which is backed up strongly by expectation from stakeholders to grow, opportunities available to grow, resource in place to grow, required efforts to turn the dreams into reality. Together we shall and we will achieve our dream. Blue Star is transforming itself and truly on its way to growth. We look to the future to scale newer heights.